गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। सीबीएसई क्लास 10th हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1। दिस इज़ पार्ट 3। अर्लियर हमने स्टार्टिंग के लेसन्स का जो जो दिया था वो हमने पढ़ा है, रीडिंग किया है। बेसिकली ये चैनल मैंने इसलिए बनाया कि बस मैं रीडिंग करूँगी, इसमें समझाने का कुछ ऐसा नहीं है। जहाँ आपको क्वेश्चन लगे आप लोग मुझे डीएम कर लो या मैसेज डाल दो, मैं आंसर करूँगी। अदरवाइज केवल रीड करना, कि जिससे आप लोग, मैं रीड करूँगी और आप लोग पहले रीड मेरा सुन लिसन करोगे, फिर रीड करोगे, फिर राइट करोगे, तो आपका इजीली हो जाएगा। सारे बच्चों का अपना अलग अलग होता है, तो इस तरह आप अपना तैयारी कर पाओगे। तो ये पेज नंबर 10 से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। अ न्यू कंजर्वेटिज्म आफ्टर 1815। Following the defeat of Napoleon in 1815, European governments were driven by a spirit of conservatism. Conservatism, a political philosophy that stressed the importance of tradition, established institutions, and customs, and preferred gradual development to quick change. ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज़ कंजर्वेटिज्म? कंजर्वेटिव होना, बहुत ज़्यादा अपने अब जो बिलीफ सिस्टम चला आ रहा है विदाउट लॉजिक, पहले अच्छा होगा बट नाउ इट शुड बी चेंज, उसको भी मानना। Conservatism believed that established traditional institutions of state and society, like the monarchy, the church, the social hierarchies, property, and the family, should be preserved. Most conservatives, however, did not propose a return to the society of pre revolutionary days. Rather, they realized from the changes initiated by Napoleon that modernization could in fact strengthen traditional institutions like the monarchy. It could make state power more effective and strong. A modern army, an efficient bureaucracy, a dynamic economy, the abolition of feudalism and serfdom could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe. In 1815, representatives of the European powers, Britain, Russia, Prussia, and Austria, who had collectively defeated Napoleon, met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. After Napoleon War and whatever it happened earlier, in 1915, European powers Britain, Russia, Prussia, and Australia met in Vienna in 1850. The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. The delegates drew up the Treaty of Vienna of 1850 with the object of undoing most of the changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic Wars. The Bourbon dynasty, which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power, and France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon. A series of states were set up on the boundaries of France to prevent French expansion in future. Thus, the Kingdom of the Netherlands, which included Belgium, was set up in the north, and Genoa was added to Piedmont in the south. These are the changes they added in that Congress. Prussia was given important new territories on its western frontiers, while Austria was given control of northern Italy. But the German Confederation of 39 states that had been set up by Napoleon was left untouched. In the east, Russia was given part of Poland, while Prussia was given a portion of Saxony. The main intention was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. ओके, सो जो नेपोलियन वॉर्स में हुआ था कि सारी मोनार्की को हटा दिया गया था और स्टेट्स बनाए थे, उसके जस्ट अपोजिट ये लोग 1815 में कर रहे थे। वो 1797 में किया था, ये 1815 में कर रहे थे। Conservative regimes set up in 1815 were autocratic. They did not tolerate criticism and dissent and sought to curb activities that questioned the legitimacy of autocratic governments. Most of them imposed censorship laws to control what was said in newspapers, books, plays, and songs, and reflected the ideas of liberty and freedom. They censor all the things which Napoleon was brought, and what happened in revolution. The books, plays, songs which they have implemented, now they are removing. They want a autocratic government. So there is a picture also, the club of thinkers, anonymous caricature dating 1820. So you can see everyone's mouth has a band, so they can't speak much. They can't speak. Okay. Associated with the French Revolution. The memory of the French Revolution nonetheless continued to inspire liberals. One of the major issues taken up by the liberal nationalists who criticized the new conservative order was freedom of the press. ठीक है, but still इसमें भी one of the major issues taken up by the liberal nationalists was the freedom of the press. Their song and everything went, but their freedom of speech, press was there. So it is okay, मतलब they what they got. ठीक है, अभी आप जो इसमें पढ़ा है हमने, उसको आप एक बार बुक में पढ़िए, सुनिए और लिखिए, आप बस सभी लिखिए, फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके आगे. ओके, थैंक यू.